This is yellow passion fruit. See this vine growing in this bucket. I started last fall, late summer, and it was about this tall, about the size of this little trellis thing. Brought it out spring. They don't like cold, so it would have died if I hadn't taken it in the house. Now it's growing. Look at these huge leaves, beautiful. I really love passion fruit. My wife loves it. It's making its way up to the top of the plum tree. I don't know if we're gonna get any fruit, not even flowers yet. But there is an alternative. This is the alternative. This is a little tiny passion fruit, wild passion fruit. See how tiny these things are? It takes about 20 of these to make one. They're not quite as sweet either. They're wild. I grew all over Hawaii. I picked the seeds up in Hawaii, and I planted these in the spring. And look, I'm taking over this trellis, going up there, all the way across there. They're making their way over to the pomegranate tree. So that is one thing you can grow, that you can get passion fruit if you want to settle for a little bit different variety that's not quite as good as the original, or the stuff that most people know about. Here's another one. This one's started down here. There's my sweet potatoes that grew up with the sweet potatoes. Now look at it. Look at all those green little passion fruits. The flowers are beautiful. In the morning you come out here, purple flowers everywhere. Pink, purple, yellow, all the colors. So that's one way of getting them. It's just they're not quite as sweet, and they're very, very small. It takes a bunch of them to make much of anything at all. Came out in the garden this morning and can pick some of the little lilycoids. These are wild. Here's the big one. Actually, I already picked them, but I left one because I wanted to show what they look like. Most people don't even know they're edible, don't know anything about them, let alone what they are. You can eat them. They grow in Hawaii wild. I think they actually come from South America or Central America someplace. But I made a smoothie. I put banana. You can see the little red. I just rinse off the whole thing and stick them in there. First time I've done just banana and lilycoid, so I'm going to pick this. Oops, there we go. And I'm going to open it up. You can see what it looks like. I don't have any way of holding my camera, so I'm just propping it up. But anyway, see that? You open them up, got little seeds, just like a little bit different than regular lilycoid passion fruit, because they don't have a lot of stuff around them. It's just the shell and the little seeds. Most people wouldn't even think about eating these because they live in the tropics or live where they can grow these easy, but I'm not able to grow the regular lilycoid. They grow, but the season ends before they flower sometimes, and I've never gotten it yet. I had a little greenhouse, whatever, maybe I could eventually. So this is what they look like, and they taste a lot like the other lilycoid, but it's a very light taste. It's not very strong. There's no sourness to it, just a little bit of sweet, and there's a lot of seed to it. So if you like crunchy, like some people do, yeah, it's good. I don't really eat the skins unless I put it in like a smoothie. This is a smoothie I made. Just threw them in there with the banana. So I'm gonna try it out, see how it is. But that's I forget the actual name of what they're called, but common name is they're wild lilycoid. I got these from Hawaii. I brought the seeds back and planted them here in Vegas. It's very hot here, and they survive, so that's why I grow them.